In today's little video, we're going to be adding a Sunstrip onto the Evo. Here is the colour that I've gone for, a gloss gunmetal. It was the kind of best colour I think I could find for the car to sort of tie in with the badges on the doors at the sides. Got it from VN Vinyls here in Sweden. Really good service, really good products. This is one of their own brands, and I've used it before and it lasts really well, so I'm sure that'll do a good job. I have already, as with most jobs on the Evo, it's dead easy to take stuff apart, so I love Japanese cars. Already taken off the side windscreen trim and the top windscreen trim. You'll obviously see me refit that. It's dead easy to do. You know, like, it doesn't need how-to on how to do that, but you'll see me do that anyway. So first thing to do is going to be clean the windscreen thoroughly, work out where we want the Sunstrip to sit, how far down. I'm kind of thinking that it'll come just below the mirror base here. That should be okay, I think. So work that out, and then, like I say, thoroughly clean the windscreen and then get on with applying it. It is a one-man job. It's not hard to do. So, yep, let's crack on, as I say. Right, now we've got the vinyl cut down to size and sort of ready to go on the car. Need to give the windscreen a good clean, and then it's going to be hot washing up liquid mixed with water, well, hot water mixed with washing up liquid, not hot washing up liquid, that'd be weird. Sprayed on the windscreen and then peeling off the backing so it can kind of maneuver it into position, and then squeegeeing out the water and washing up liquid to kind of put it into place. That's the technique I've always used for doing it, and it's never done me wrong. Don't know if there's another way to do it, but that seems to be like the way. So that's what we're going to do, but cleaning the windscreen first, and then we can get on with fitting the thing. apologies for the state of my hair and my Fifth Element, probably mark on my head from the head cam, but we are done now with getting the vinyl into place. Just need to peel off this protective shield cover wrapper from the vinyl, and then we can do a final sort of wipe down with a cloth. And then once it's sort of been allowed some time to sort of set and sit, then I can put the trim back in place, and then we can stand back and bask in the glory of our nice shiny new Sunstrip. And that is that. We are done. I've given everything a little wipe just for the sake of this video because the car needs a clean. But all the trim's back in place. Everything is now set. I always forgot to say, I always use a heat gun on a sort of low medium heat when I'm doing anything with vinyl, just because it activates the adhesive, and also with the vinyl warmer, the vinyl is more pliable. So you can sort of get rid of air bubbles more easily and sort of get the edge a bit tidier, because obviously the edge was a little bit rough where it's been in the box in transit. So that's all sorted now. But yeah, we are done. I'm really happy with that. So thanks for watching. Until the next video.